Hi, planning your big day? There's a lot to do. Axiom Print is here to help make your invitation card selection and ordering an easy and fun process. Stay tuned. Brides and grooms often ask us, where should we begin? Start with selecting a wedding theme and color. Next, set your wedding budget and allocate a certain amount for your invitation cards. Once you are set on the basics, it is very easy to order with Axiom Print's online ordering system. Our online ordering system is easy to use. You can make as many revisions as you wish, see digital proofs immediately, and if you are not sure, you can always order generic samples available online to see the quality of the invitation cards. Here's a quick video tutorial on how the online ordering system works. First, select the invitation card, the verbiage format, font type, color, and begin to fill in the blanks. The proofs are ready immediately. You are able to add envelope return addresses, RSVP cards, program cards, and much more. Another common question we receive is, we already have our design ready, can we just print it with you? The answer is absolutely yes. Email your design to order@axiomprint.com, the type of paper you like, and we can print it for you. You can also request to see a hard copy proof before placing your final order. What if we do not like any of the options available online? If you are not satisfied with the options available online, you can email us or call us to speak with our invitation card specialist who can customize your invitation cards for you. Another common question we always get asked is, how soon should I place the order? The production time depends on how much customization you require, but generally it takes 2 to 3 weeks. If you are planning on a last-minute wedding, we can also offer rush printing services. You can count on Axiom Print's team to make your invitation card vision come true. You can order online, call us, email us, or simply walk in, and one of our invitation card specialists will work with you. Thank you and hope to see you soon.